question is how many four-way switches can be placed between two three-way switches, and where in the National Electrical Code, or NEC, is this located? The answer is none. While the NEC doesn't explicitly state that you can't put any four-way switches between three-way switches, the purpose of a four-way switch in a circuit with three-way switches must be understood to grasp why the answer is none. Let's delve deeper into how three-way and four-way switches work and how they are connected. Three-way switches don't have on or off positions like a standard single-pole, single-throw, or SVSD switch. Instead, they have two positions that connect the common terminal to one of two traveler terminals. Consider two three-way switches controlling a light. One three-way switch acts as the input and the other as the output. The two traveler terminals on each switch are wired to each other, creating two possible paths for the current. Changing the position of either switch alters the circuit path, turning the light on or off. Now, let's introduce the four-way switch. A four-way switch has four terminals and two positions. In one position, it connects one pair of opposite terminals. In the other position, it crosses the connections, swapping the pairs. A four-way switch is always placed between two three-way switches in the circuit. The traveler wires from the first three-way switch connect to the input terminals of the four-way switch, and the output terminals of the four-way switch connect to the traveler terminals of the second three-way switch. The four-way switch essentially allows you to swap the traveler wires, adding another point of control to the circuit. With this in mind, the purpose of four-way switches is to be able to control the circuit from multiple locations between the two three-way switches, but they are not placed in between one another. A four-way switch is a four-pole double-throw switch with the purpose of swapping the two hot leads from the first three-way switch before going to the second three-way switch. The four-way switches need to be in between the three-way switches so that their positions can affect the state of the circuits. Without the three-way switches at the ends, the four-way switch cannot achieve the desired effect. Think of it this way: the two three-way switches are bookends in a three-way or four-way circuit configuration.